11 sneaky ways to save money on everyday purchases as interest rates rise. Make a comprehensive budget. 1. The first step is making a detailed budget tracking all your income and expenses. Knowing exactly where your money is going allows you to identify unnecessary spending to cut back, create savings goals, and make intentional reductions in specific categories. Use budgeting apps to organize everything in one place and get reminders. 2. Always search for coupons and discounts. Before completing any online or in-store purchase, invest some time searching for available coupons, rebates, discounted gift cards, or promo codes you can apply at checkout to lower the final price. Retailer websites, blogs, and aggregator deal sites offer money-saving promotions. 3. Buy store brands and in bulk on sale. For grocery trips, buy generic store brands instead of pricier name brands. Look for items on sale or clearance racks. Purchase larger bulk sizes when the per-unit price is lower. Loyalty programs, rewards cards, and store apps provide additional savings over time. 4. Automate saving with each paycheck. When you get paid, immediately transfer a fixed percentage of that paycheck to a separate high-yield savings account before you spend anything. By following this approach, you not only prioritize saving, but also establish a disciplined financial routine. This forces you to budget fixed expenses using the remainder, fostering a mindful approach to your spending habits, while automatically building emergency savings that earn growing interest. With consistent practice, you'll notice how these automated transfers pave the way for a more secure and prosperous financial future. 5. Review insurance plans. Annually reevaluate insurance needs yearly as circumstances evolve. Shop quotes through comparison sites to find cheaper rates. Increasing deductibles, bundling policies, and asking about discounts can lead to savings. Every dollar not paid in premiums remains available to save or invest. Moreover, staying proactive about your coverage ensures you're adequately protected while optimizing your financial strategy for the long term. 6. Live below your means limit, lifestyle inflation over the years. By living below your means, through mindful budgeting, spend less than you earn each month. Avoid inflating living costs as pay increases. The savings difference gives you increased financial flexibility and stability. This approach not only cultivates a healthy saving habit, but also empowers you to pursue meaningful goals without being burdened by excessive debt or unnecessary expenses. 7. Lower your utility costs. Reduce energy costs by weatherizing your home, upgrading appliances, installing a smart thermostat, switching to LEDs, using appliances efficiently, and comparing rates to find cheaper utility companies. Unplug devices when not in use. Every small reduction helps in conserving both energy and money, aligning with your broader financial and environmental objectives. Through these efforts, you'll not only witness a decrease in your monthly bills, but also contribute to a more sustainable future. 8. Buy gently used. Instead of new, consider purchasing used vehicles, furniture, outdoor gear, appliances, electronics, and kids' toys and clothing instead of buying new. Second-hand items often have minimal wear but cost a fraction of retail. Search classifieds, thrift stores, and online sellers for bargains. This eco-friendly choice not only benefits your wallet but also contributes to reducing resource consumption and supporting sustainable consumption practices, thereby fostering a more responsible and conscious lifestyle. 9. Use travel hacks to save. Travel hacks like avoiding checked bags, booking flights early, using miles for tickets or upgrades, traveling during off-peak seasons, packing light, and using ride shares to and from the airport help lower vacation costs. Comparison sites find hotel deals, yet maximizing savings involves more than accommodations. Opt for local eateries, embrace public transportation, and explore cost-free activities to make the most of your getaway. 10. Pack your lunch and make your coffee. Small daily decisions like bringing a sack lunch to work rather than eating out, brewing coffee at home instead of buying it, and choosing free or low-cost activities over paid events help nickels and dimes accumulate into extra dollars saved. Consistently making these frugal choices not only boosts your financial stability, but also encourages a mindful and intentional lifestyle centered around meaningful experiences rather than unnecessary expenses. 11. Take advantage of free entertainment. For entertainment, choose free options like libraries instead of bookstores, hiking or biking over gym memberships, game nights over restaurants, and outdoor concerts over paid venues. Embracing these cost-effective alternatives not only enriches your leisure time, but also promotes a healthier and more interactive lifestyle. Engage in local community events, explore public parks, and organize potluck gatherings to nurture relationships without straining your budget. By creatively seeking out fulfilling experiences, you'll discover that enjoying life affordably can be both rewarding and invigorating. 12. Learn to DIY and negotiate costs. Learn to do home repairs, maintenance, haircuts, auto work, and other services yourself instead of paying others. When hiring pros, negotiate fair pricing and avoid premium services. Handiness and negotiation skills unlock savings. Moreover, DIY projects not only save money, but also provide opportunities to learn new skills and boost your self-confidence. By honing your negotiation abilities, you can secure better deals and build mutually beneficial relationships with service providers, contributing to a more financially adept and resourceful lifestyle. 13. Avoid impulse purchases. Curb impulse buying triggered by ads, holiday hype, or pure whimsy. Stick to needs-based purchases aligned with budget categories. Give yourself a cooling-off period to ensure it's a well-considered expense. Often, taking a step back before buying reveals whether the item truly holds value in your life. Engage in mindful spending practices like maintaining a list of items you want, but waiting a set period before making a decision. 14. Keep long-term savings goals in mind. Remind yourself regularly of big-picture savings goals like an emergency fund, retirement, home down payment, or college tuition to reinforce saving priorities over discretionary wants. Long-term needs outweigh momentary desires. Visualize the future benefits of achieving these milestones, whether it's financial security, a comfortable retirement, or a debt-free education for your children. 15. Automate and pay yourself. First, make saving effortless by automating transfers each pay period. Set aside a fixed percentage or dollar amount, building up over time. Implement the pay yourself first principle by dedicating savings before spending on wants. This builds wealth. Once you treat savings as a non-negotiable expense, you'll find that your financial goals become easier to attain. With some strategic lifestyle adjustments, smart shopping practices, and automation, you can painlessly trim expenses to maximize savings. Little changes make a big cumulative difference. Put these tips to work and watch your savings grow.